Morning.
Warren Lewis, how you doing, buddy?
Doing well. Sorry, I didn't have time to get to that motion. I've just been going crazy.
I feel you, man.
Nuts.
I'm running around.
Try and write a letter in the morning and it's 6 o'clock in the evening and you're still trying to write the same letter. Doesn't stop.
Hey, man, I got caught up with a debrief with the feds yesterday. Thought it was only going to take an hour. Ended up taking three. So, I mean, I get the same thing. Trust me.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm sure the judge will take care of us. I feel good
Yeah,
about it.
yeah, I'm not too worried about it. Lewis, are you handling the criminal case too?
Yeah.
What's happening on that? I hadn't seen anything.
Not a thing. I mean, you know how slow stuff is running. This is not like a major crime. So I
Yeah.
don't know how long before the DA really gets into it.
Hey.
I mean, he's been arrested. He's out on bond. That's it.
Yeah.
I mean, and it's probably going to stay like that, I'd say, until at least the summer or after the summer.
Yeah. It's a
'Cause
crazy
even
situation, man.
people.
I know. But you know what? It keeps us
But,
busy.
yeah, and it's not like you have enough to do. You got to go do this stupid crap. Allegedly do this stupid crap.
Uh,
But
well,
yeah,
I'm just looking forward to spring break. So let's just knock it out.
yeah, I'm taking off to Cabo tomorrow morning.
Is that where you got that bad boy behind you in Cabo?
Yeah, yeah. We're
I
going to do
we
some
did
14.
we did that one year, man. It was fantastic. I loved it.
Yeah, I love it over there. Best fishing in the world, really.
Yeah. So do you charter a boat or what do you do when you go down there?
Yeah, we'll get there and get a boat. We'll go walk around, talk to the captains, and then pick one.
We hooked up with some outfit down there and they're actually based out of Dallas called Red Rum. And they got a boat and they had a whole package. It had a boat, it had a house. It was fantastic.
Yeah, I like it there.
Yeah, it's great.
I'm gonna have a magistrate court, so if they see me talking and not making sense.
I'll let them know.
All right, can everybody hear me?
Yes.
All right, good morning, everyone. 357 District Court will start its court session for today's docket call Friday, March the 11th, 2022, starting with 2020 DCL 4750, Garza versus Sosa. Mr. Green, Ms. Straha.
Your Honor, we settled all of the parties in the case. We just now need to get a friendly suit hearing set for the minor children.
We don't have either one on.
Judge Robles, I saw him earlier. He was the ad litem that had previously been appointed.
All right.
Good morning, Judge.
Morning.
Daniel Robles here on behalf of the minor children. That's correct.
Okay.
So friendly suit hearing so we can review everything, prepare it.
Is Ms. Solis here?
No. I haven't seen him.
No.
Ms. Solis and Ms. Salas are not on.
Well, I'll have to have my staff get back to you, Ms. Straha.
Okay.
Tell you when she can
Do you know how long the
Judge,
second note?
she's here in the courtroom, Judge. Ms. Solis.
What?
Ms. Solis is here in the courtroom.
Okay.
I just got here.
All right. Well, let me let her settle down and get into the screen here so we can talk to you about a date. Now, let me move on to the other one. 2020
Thank
DC
you.
3318. Armendariz, Sandoval, Mr. Regalado, Mr. Green.
Morning,
Good
Your Honor.
morning, Your
David
Honor.
Rourke here on behalf of plaintiffs.
All right.
Jennifer Regalado on behalf of defendant, Your Honor.
What are we doing with this one?
Yeah.
We're here on a friendly suit, Your Honor.
Ms. Solis, can you give me a friendly hearing for 2020 DCL 4750? How long do you need? Whatever, a week?
I think a week is fine, Your Honor.
Okay.
That would be March 18th.
Wait, Ms. Regalado, you're on the second one. You need a friendly suit hearing too?
I thought we were here on a friendly suit, Your Honor.
I'm confused. That's why.
Yeah.
Okay, let me start again. I'm addressing the very first case with Mr. Robles as the ad litem. What date was that, Ms. Solis?
March 18th.
March 18th for you guys, okay?
Okay, Judge, I may take a little bit longer because there is a Medicaid lien involved, and because of the amount of the settlement, my feeling is that there may be a structure that needs to be put in place.
How long do you need then? Just tell me.
30 days, please, Judge.
Okay, 30 days, Ms. Solis.
April 20th.
Okay.
Your Honor,
Mr.
sorry, can I get the name of that case? I am not here on that case, but I am here for the Green Law Firm. I was not aware this was being called.
We're not talking about your case.
Yes, it's Mr. Green is on that one too, Judge.
I know. We're not talking about your case, Mr. Rourke.
But he's here for Mr. Green.
You said it was for Mr. Green, Your Honor, and I'm here for the Green Law Firm, and I don't see Jorge Letty here.
Right, but I'm trying to set your friendly suit hearing for 30 days.
Yes, Your Honor. I need to know the name of the case.
Oh, Ivana Abigail Garza versus Yairi Sosa.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm here specifically on the next one that you called, but
Right.
I was not aware of the first one.
Right, okay, well, now you are.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, on the reset date for friendly suit, 8 a.m. in person or Zoom?
You know, let's do it, I'll give you the option because I'm giving options on this type of hearings. We can do it Zoom and we can do it live.
Yes, Your Honor.
Unless the parties require me to, they get together and say they want to come live, I will entertain you live.
Very well. And
All right,
I'll
yeah.
follow up with Mr. Green.
All
All
right.
right,
So
thank you, everyone.
for right now, we'll leave it at Zoom, and then if you want it, otherwise, we'll be more than glad to accommodate. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
Your Honor.
Judge.
Thank you,
That's
Your
all
Honor.
I have. May be excused.
Have a good day.
You-
All right, now, Mr. Rorik Armendariz Sandoval, you are here for a friendly suit hearing. All right.
Yes, Your Honor. My client, Ms. Cook, is here,
All right. Who's going to be testifying?
but I'm not seeing our ad litem right now, Your Honor.
That's what I was gonna say earlier, Your Honor.
Who's
Says,
Mr. De Leon.
Your Honor, if I might address the court briefly, I think there might also be a slight wrinkle in this.
All
This
right.
is we were here on a friendly suit to resolve the third-party portion of the claim. Policy limits is being paid on that. I'm still in negotiations with first party. I've spoken with Mr. De Leon recently about that. I spoke with my office about it. And it is not advantageous for continued negotiations to release the monies that would otherwise be placed in the registry of the court on behalf of the children at this time, because to do so, I would have to go ahead and negotiate with and pay off all the medical bills. And I need those in existence to continue my negotiations with the first party carrier.
Okay, what are you requesting, Mr. Rorick?
I was hoping Mr. De Leon would be here, Your Honor. I think he's going to be in agreement with me. I think it's probably just best to put off all of this for maybe 60 days while I try to resolve the first party portion of the claim, and then do it all at one time with one friendly suit hearing for both Allstate and Geico.
Do you have any objections on this, Regalado?
I don't, Your Honor.
All right, give me 60 days, Mr. Solis.
May the 20th?
May 20th, Mr. Rorick.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. I appreciate you, and thank you for giving us your time this morning.
You all advise the ad litem, or hopefully we'll catch up to this information. Thank you.
I'll call Cesar, Your Honor. You have a good morning and a good spring break. Ms. Cook, I'll call you right now.
Spring
Thank you,
break.
Your Honor. May I be excused?
Spring break, that's a thing of the past. What is that?
Spring break here.
Somebody asked me the other day if I was going to the island. I said,
If I go try, I feel so out of place, like a sore thumb, like.
all right, thank you, Your Honor. Have a good weekend.
Take care.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Have a good day.
You-
2022 DCL 322 James Smith versus Mac Daniel Bryant, Mr. Sorola, Mr. Guerra.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Judge.
Morning.
Judge, Mr. Guerra and I have been talking. I'm going to ask the court to abate the lawsuit. My client was charged criminally for some of the allegations in the petition. He was just charged, arrested. He's out on bond. I'd ask the court for maybe a 6-month abatement to see where we are in the criminal charges. He cannot testify. He cannot respond to these allegations at this time. And Mr. Guerra is in agreement with that.
That's correct, Your Honor.
But we're gonna get to the point where this is going to be, I don't know, if he gets to understand in a civil case and takes a fifth, Mr. Guerra, he can possibly do that. That wouldn't be to his advantage.
Right.
The jury would be saying, well, okay, you know.
Well, and that's why, and Your Honor, that's why
I will give him the 6 months, but I'm not gonna drag the case on and on till the criminal case is over. You know.
And that's not what we're asking for, Your Honor. On behalf of the plaintiff, we understand Mr. Sorola's predicament in representing his client, and we'll give him the 6 months, but we also appreciate the court's consideration in allowing this matter to proceed, hopefully at the end of the 6 months.
Well, we have to, because I mean, if he wants, he's entitled to take his fifth in any proceedings.
Yes, Judge.
Especially civil, you know.
I agree.
It shouldn't be an impediment. He doesn't in any way incriminate himself in a civil case if he takes a fifth.
Right.
All right, Mr. Sorola, 6 months.
Yes, Judge.
All right, give me 6 months, Mr. Solis. Abate this thing for 6 months.
September 23rd?
September 23rd.
23rd at 8 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to provide an order to the court, Your Honor.
You do that and I'll sign it, sir.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Mr. Guerra.
Thank you, Mr. Sorola. Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right. All right. Criminal cases. 2021 DCR 1863 Alberto Lucio Mendez. Unmute yourself, Mr. Mendez. Okay. Am I starting too early here?
No,
Where's Mr. Garcia?
he's not on.
Yeah, I know.
Ms. Peña's on.
2021 DCR 904 April Melinda Rivas. Ms. Peña.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Miss April Melinda Rivas.
Peña,
Can you hear me?
Why do you
Yes.
have a courtroom as your background?
Because, Your Honor, I told the defendant, the client, to show up in court because she has failed to come to my office. And I wanted to make sure she understood that if she didn't show up in court, that she was going to get arrested.
Oh,
She-
you're in my courtroom.
Yeah, I'm in your courtroom. Yes, Your Honor.
I thought that was pretty disingenuous. I said, wow, she's got like a picture of my
I
courtroom.
took a picture.
All right, so
And I've called her, I've texted her, Your Honor, and she has not responded.
April Melinda Rivas. Mr. Rivera call up April Melinda Rivas. Mr. De Leon, we took care of the matter. You are reset for September 20, no, May 20th.
May 20th. And I apologize, Judge. I've been having connection issues. I've been trying to log on since 7:50. I am happy. I go back in person the week after.
Your Honor, she was called 3 times and there was no answer.
The connection problem is going to continue when we do this live too. Believe me. Anyway, May 20th, Mr. De Leon.
Thank you, Judge. You have a wonderful day.
You too. Bye. All right. Mr. Rivera,
Yes, Your Honor, she was called 3 times and there was no answer.
what says the state?
State requests that a KPS be issued, bond be forfeited, new bond sets no bond, judgment nice in favor of the state.
That will be granted.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I
Thank
be
you, Mr.
excused?
Thank you. Have a
Have a
good
good
day.
day.
All right. Mr. Mendez,
Yes, sir.
we're just waiting for your attorney. So we have to
Okay.
hold on, okay?
Alejandro, he's our only client, our last person, so, and he speaks English. So if you need to go to another court, you can.
Thank you. Have a great weekend.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Alejandro.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Here again. Que ya. Voy a otro pinche courthouse o qué? ¿Qué pinche pedo? Ya lo quito, ¿qué, mija? Because my lawyer was not there.
No, sir, we're waiting for your attorney, sir. Just stay on Zoom. We're waiting for him to log in.
Just go
Oh,
mute.
I'm sorry. I was saying
Okay.
bad words. Sorry, ma'am.
I'm gonna mute you until your case is called, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Alberto Lucio Mendez.
Yes, Judge, except for announcements, we're ready. I don't know what the state's announcement is.
Mr. Janas,
I believe this is a domestic violence unit case,
It's
Judge.
correct, Judge. This is a family violence case.
and who handles that? Albert, Mr. Villarreal?
Mr. Villarreal, let me give him a call and see where he's at. Just a moment. I don't have his extension. 2572. Morning. You're in court.
Tell him there's a rooster going over my screen.
He didn't know.
The 357.
Right here, look.
Everything. The rooster's calling. You hear that, Judge? I told him the rooster's calling.
He's bucking for an award.
For a second, I didn't know if I was
Mr. Garcia,
have my rooster.
Mr. Garcia was in the running, but he offered a lame excuse. His secretary didn't give him the.
They're all lame, Judge. They're all lame.
Mr. Yeah.
How's your child, Mr. Garcia?
Say again, Your Honor?
How's your child?
Doing better, Judge. Thank you for asking. She's doing better. Yeah, it's been a long, hard ride.
No, man. I know that you had a heavy burden on your shoulder. You've had a heavy burden on your shoulder.
Thank you, Judge.
What did he say? He was coming on?
He said he'd be coming on. I'm going to text him right now. I just sent him the Zoom link.
I mean, are you all in different buildings or what?
He's on a different floor.
Above you or below you?
Below.
Let it rain internet, Mr. Janis. Let it rain internet. Down to him.
I'm hoping they have the hackers haven't gotten to him. If he doesn't appear in the next 2 minutes, I'll call him on his personal cell phone.
Well, he's got notice now that he's supposed to be in court, so hopefully.
Maybe I should get the YouTube rooster playing.
So you're announcing ready for trial?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Garcia's announced ready for trial. We have another trial,
The 21st.
the 21st.
Okay.
Do we have anything on that day?
Not criminal. I don't know, civil. Let me check with
Can you check?
No, I don't see anything with the civil either, just,
We'll tell you, we set it for the 21st. And that's what's gonna stay. Mr. Villarreal doesn't come on.
Yes, Judge, I'm gonna give him another call.
Oh, he's here. He's logging in. I just admitted him.
Janis is logging in.
Yeah. There he is. Connected.
Okay. Arturo's on.
Morning, Judge.
You were talking to Mr. Villarreal because Mr. Villarreal did not have a phone on him.
Wait, I have something very important, Judge. Do I have to give back my award for being on time the other day?
I haven't found one. I haven't found one for that. I know how the authority was.
Okay, my apologies. I didn't get the email with the docket. I apologize.
No, Mr. Villarreal, Mr. Garcia has announced already. What is your announcement?
What is the cause number on this, please?
2021 DCR 1863 Alberto Lucio Mendez.
Is this the one we emailed about yesterday, Sal?
I got a text message. I'm just actually getting it right now on my phone from my assistant. It may be.
I was about to send him the plea papers that were requested. We're not ready yet. We can be ready fairly soon.
No, he doesn't want any plea papers. He says he's ready to go to trial on this, right, Mr. Garcia? That's what I understood.
That's it. That's the agreement, Judge. I don't think Mr. Mendez wants to sign the plea papers.
There you go.
Okay.
We've set it for the 21st.
Of March?
Yes, that's the only other trial date I have in March.
Can we do it in April, Judge?
What's going on in March for you?
This probably isn't the right place to discuss it, Judge.
All right, let's go to, let me send Mr. Villarreal and myself and Mr. Mendez to Mr. Garcia to a breakout room.
Hold on. Let me see. Okay, the room's open.
Thank you.
You're gonna join the room? You're muted.
Okay. All right, Mr. Vidal.
Mr. Garcia and I were sitting there staring at each other going, Oh, we have to leave? So,
2021 DCR 1863, Secretary Alberto Lucio Mendez, pursuant to a discussion had with both the defendant's attorney and the prosecution, the court will relent and give him a trial date in May. Ms. Solis.
Okay. In May, May
With an
16th.
With an announcement.
Okay, announcements, the 11th with trial on the 16th.
Got that?
got it. Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Mendez, thank you for being here. Your attorney will explain to you the reason for the delay. I don't think you'll have a problem with it.
No, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, sir.